Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. We are delighted to have you join us. In this two-part series, we're taking a close look at the Honda Accord, one of the automotive world's standout performers. From safety and reliability to performance, interior comfort, and value for money, we'll leave no stone unturned in our examination of this remarkable vehicle. So, buckle up and get ready to dive deep into what makes the Honda Accord an impressive choice for drivers. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more insightful automotive content. The Honda Accord's impressive rating. The Honda Accord is a popular and highly regarded vehicle in the automotive industry. With its sleek design, reliable performance, and advanced features, it is no wonder that the Honda Accord has earned an impressive A rating. In this video, we will explore the reasons why this is so and delve into why it is a smart choice for car enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. From its impressive fuel efficiency to its cutting-edge safety technologies, the Honda Accord offers a combination of style, comfort, and practicality that sets it apart from its competitors. Overview of the Honda Accord's rating. When it comes to making a decision about which car to purchase, it's crucial to consider various factors, one of the most important being the car's rating. Car ratings provide valuable insights into a vehicle's performance, safety, and overall quality. The importance of car ratings. Car ratings play a significant role in the car buying process. They serve as a reliable benchmark for evaluating a vehicle's overall worthiness and reliability. By looking into car ratings, buyers can make informed decisions and feel confident about their choice. Ratings take into account multiple aspects of a car such as performance, safety features, fuel efficiency, comfort, and reliability. These evaluations help consumers determine which models meet their specific requirements and preferences. Car ratings are not arbitrary. They are derived from thorough testing and analysis conducted by reputable organizations such as the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, and independent consumer reports. Safety ratings, for instance, are based on crash tests and evaluations of a vehicle's safety features. The NHTSA and IIHS perform rigorous tests to assess a vehicle's ability to protect occupants in various collision scenarios. These organizations award ratings based on the car's performance in these tests, providing consumers with valuable information regarding the vehicle's safety standards. Additionally, organizations like J.D. Power and Consumer Reports evaluate vehicles based on customer satisfaction, reliability, and overall performance. They collect data from owner surveys and conduct extensive research to produce comprehensive ratings. It's important to note that car ratings are not static. They are regularly updated to reflect changes in technology, safety standards, and industry advancements. Therefore, it's advisable to refer to up-to-date ratings when considering purchasing a car. By understanding the significance of car ratings and how they are determined, potential buyers can make well-informed decisions when it comes to choosing the Honda Accord or any other vehicle. We will look deeper into specific aspects of the Honda Accord's rating, providing a comprehensive understanding of its exceptional qualities. When it comes to safety, the Honda Accord is a top contender in its class. This reliable and stylish sedan has consistently earned high safety ratings, making it a popular choice among safety-conscious consumers. In this section, we will explore the various aspects that contribute to the Honda Accord's impressive safety rating. One of the key indicators of a vehicle's safety is its performance in crash tests. The Honda Accord has excelled in these tests, providing peace of mind to drivers and passengers alike. In the rigorous tests conducted by organizations such as the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, the Honda Accord consistently earns high scores. In the NHTSA's frontal crash, side crash, and rollover tests, the Honda Accord has received a 5-star overall rating, the highest possible score. This means that the Accord offers excellent protection in various types of collisions. Similarly, the IIHS has awarded the Accord with the top safety pick recognition, highlighting its outstanding performance in their crashworthiness evaluations. Advanced safety features. To further enhance safety on the road, the Honda Accord comes equipped with a range of advanced safety features. These features are designed to assist drivers in avoiding accidents and mitigating the consequences of a collision. Some notable safety technologies found in the Honda Accord include Collision Mitigation Braking System, CMBS. This system uses sensors to detect potential frontal collisions and alerts the driver. If necessary, it can automatically apply the brakes to reduce the impact or even prevent a collision. Lane Keeping Assist System. LKAS helps drivers stay within their designated lane by providing gentle steering assistance. It can detect unintentional lane drift and provide corrective action to keep the vehicle on track. Adaptive Cruise Control. ACC maintains a set distance from the vehicle ahead by automatically adjusting the Accord's speed. It can reduce driver fatigue on long journeys and enhance safety by promoting a safe following distance. These advanced safety features add an extra layer of protection to the Honda Accord, bolstering driver confidence and minimizing the risk of accidents. The Honda Accord's commitment to safety has not gone unnoticed by renowned safety organizations. Its stellar safety performance has earned it recognition and accolades from reliable sources in the automotive industry. In addition to the aforementioned top safety pick distinction from the IIHS, the Honda Accord has also received accolades from other safety organizations. For instance, the Accord has been acknowledged by the NHTSA for its exceptional safety rating in various categories, including frontal crash, side crash, and rollover tests. This recognition further solidifies the Accord's reputation as a safe choice for drivers and passengers. Furthermore, the Accord has consistently been praised by safety experts and automotive journalists for its comprehensive safety features, sturdy construction, and reliable performance in real-world scenarios. These endorsements from industry experts serve as a testament to the Honda Accord's commitment to providing a safe and secure driving experience. With its impressive track record, this car has earned an outstanding reliability rating. Thank you for joining us in part 1 of our in-depth exploration of the Honda Accord. We hope you found our analysis of safety, reliability, performance, interior comfort, and value for money informative and engaging. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll continue our examination of this exceptional vehicle, covering even more aspects that make it a top choice among drivers. Keep supporting our channel Easy Driver by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing for future automotive insights. Thank you for watching.